Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Steam on Windows 11 in 2026. In order to install Steam, you can actually go to the link in the description below, or you can just go to your browser and follow along. To get to the Steam website, all you have to do is go to the search bar, type in Steam. I don't know why Steam Community is coming up. I'm just going to click my backspace and then click enter. It's going to bring you to the Google page. Usually you want to click the first link, but sometimes an advertisement will pop up here because they're getting paid. They pay Google to put the advertisement there. So if you do see that, just make sure to usually just click the second link. Go ahead and click the first link. And once you get to the Steam page, all you have to do is go up here to the top right and click install Steam. Go down here to this button, click install Steam. The download file is going to pop up here. Then all you got to do is double click it. Click yes on the UAC. This just gives you some information on it. You're just going to click next, and click install. You can change the install path, but I would not really recommend it. Then all you gotta do is click finish. You can uncheck this box if you would like, but I'm gonna go ahead and let it open. It's gonna open it. It will usually update for the most part. Every time I've installed Steam, it's always gotta update it. The updates don't usually take that long depending on your computer and your internet connection. Alrighty, once the install is complete, you're gonna see this window here. You're gonna have a QR code, which you can use the Steam app on your Android or iOS device. Scan that code if you're logged in on the Steam app, obviously, and then you can log in that way, or you can enter your username and password. If there's any other videos or tutorials you guys would like to see, please let me know in the comments below. And if you are having any issues, comments, or concerns, also let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to respond to them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike if you thought it sucked. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't done so already. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.